So we are discussing advanced PHP and its properties, methods, and why and how we will use these. And we have already discussed about class, objects, methods, and some other properties. If you don't see this video, you can go through this playlist and can save that for upcoming video. So in this video, we're going to discuss about inheritance. So create a file, that is inheritance.php, and go to the browser, that is localhost and advanced php inheritance.php. okay, so currently it is showing blank page because we have not write anything. So before that, what is inheritance? Basically, this is one of the most powerful features of object-oriented programming. Here basically we will have multiple class and we will connect each other through this inheritance concept. So one class will call from another class and will access their properties, methods. Let's start. So suppose I am creating one class, so right here the class, suppose I am creating the class name is basic. So basically this is the base class and we will call this class from derived class. So here I am creating the another class, that is advanced. Okay, so these are basically two classes, and here we will create properties or methods in base class and we will use these methods or properties from advanced class. So that's cool. So how we can do this? Suppose I am creating a simple method inside the basic class. So here just write the public function and create a method. Suppose the method name is student, and just write a return, hi, I am a student. Okay, and add the semicolon here. And in advanced class also create a method, that is public function master, and here write some statement. Suppose here I am writing the return and write I become skilled. Okay, so here basically two classes and two methods. So basically student class is the property of the basic class and master method is the property of advanced class. So if we now create a object for the advanced class, so create $obj, that is object, and write new. So new is used to initialize any object, and here write advanced. So advanced is the class name, and write here this way and call the method master. Okay, so right here and just print this. So if we go to the output, we can see I became skilled. And if we want to print the student, we just create another object, that is object 1, and here write the class name, that is basic, and here write the student. So student is the method name and we can access with the object 1. So just now if we write here a beer tag here, because I want to display in the new line, so write beer and go to the browser, we can see I became skilled, hi, I am student. So basically this is the basic, so write here basic in the top and here just write the advanced. Okay, so now it's look great, hi, I am student, and next I became skilled. So it's coming from two different classes. So now I want to use the inheritance concept. Suppose one person John, he was a student, but now he became more advanced and he became master and more skillful. So how will get the property when he was a student? So this is very interesting. So here we can use extend to extend our parent classes things, that is parent classes methods, parent classes properties. So just extend this basic. So type mistakes, so basically it will be the extends. So extends is the keyword to inherit from one class to another. So basically this is the base class and this is the child class. So when he was a student, they are getting this knowledge, and after that they become master and become the skilled. So if we create a object of advanced class, now in a single class object we can get access of the method from the base class. So here if we just remove these things, and here if we call the student method from here, so we can use this. So write student here and write echo beer. So here I am creating object for advanced class. So basically this is the advanced class, but we are going to access the student method which are from base class, so basic class. Okay, so how we can use this? So let's see the what happened. So this will be the interesting output because we are getting the same output from this. So we can understand with the use of extends we can inherit from our parent class. So this is all about the methods. So if we're going to use the properties, how we can use this? Okay, so let's say a property, suppose I'm creating two properties, that is public and dollar value 1, and I am creating another, that is public dollar value 2. Okay, so here I want to calculate the sum of two values. So let's create another function for sum. So write public function sum, and here we will use these two properties. So I am creating a variable, that is dollar sum, and right here this value 1 plus this value 2. So basically we can use these to get the access of the current properties. So here are the spelling mistake, so here write function. Okay, so this is the function's correct spelling. So if we return the sum, we can see the result. Okay, so let's call this sum method. So here write echo beer again to display in the new line, and here write echo $obj. Note that we are using object of advanced class and we are calling the sum function from the parent class. So write the sum. Okay, and we can see the output, and I want to set the value of value 1 and value 2 when you create a object from the child class. So how we can do this? So just pass this 10 and 20. So basically this will call the constructor function from the base class, or you can say in the parent class. So where it will go, we are writing the constructor on the base class. So write public function and underscore underscore construct. Basically this is the symbol to write the constructor, and here we are taking two values, that is value 1 and another is dollar value 2. Okay, and we will process this inside the construct function. So here write this value 1 equal to dollar value 1 and here write this value 2 equal to dollar value 2. Okay, so now if we're going to see the output, we can see the output of the sum. So just go to the browser and refresh. It is getting the output as 20, but here the answer should be 20 plus 10 equal to 30. I am passing the value in the constructor. Oh sorry, we have used the dollar here, so there's a reason the 10 is not added, so because the value 1 is not using. So now going to refresh this and it is showing 30. So by creating child class object, we can use the parent class properties, parent class method, and we can calculate the result from this. Means we can use any operation with the use of inheritance. So mind it, the extends is a keyword. So using extends, we are getting access of the basic class from advanced class. Okay, so that's all about inheritance concept. So now the question is, if we use constructor in the base class and if we use constructor in the parent class also, and if we create object from the child class, so which constructor will call? So in our next tutorial we will learn how we'll override methods. So if we have a same methods like public function student in the advanced class also, so we can specify which one I want to call. So don't miss this video, and if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.